of our family. Jenna along with her children with him. But he also let train with them as well. During dinner, Sandra was unhappy that there was going to be going on. Jen said, yes, we let our kids live in those a few times, because that made perfect sense to us. Ah! Jenna said, well said, and since COVID Shane lost everything, so we agreed to let him live with us. MJ said, you did what? Jenna said, well, what were we supposed to do? Just abandon him? We're done discussing about this. He's gonna live with us until we find him an apartment. I told him that he can stay with us until he doesn't have a job either. So it makes sense to let him live here with us. Sarah said, how big is your family? Slowly, MJ pulled a picture frame and showed her, and showed Sarah. This is our family. I was a princess back then. Jenna smiled. Back then, I was a princess as well. After that, I became the queen, and I became king. It wasn't easy for us. It's gonna be very hard on our sisters and our brothers and me and us as well. So we let our nieces and nephews live with us. Sandra said, you can't just let some chefs live here. Suddenly, Camilla said, come on, I'm a chef and you don't mind me living here. Sarah said, that's because you're kind of cute and handsome looking. Shanti said, I'm a chef too. And you don't mind me.